grammar, that was simple present tense, right? Usually there are three tenses, right? I have told you that was a part of present tense. Now this is the form of type of present tense. Here we will run the present continuous tense. What is present continuous tense, right? मैंने जैसे बताया था in simple present tense we were using S form of verb and base form of verb. Now here how we have to make present continuous tense, that I am going to show you on board. Before that, for what we are using present continuous tense, that I am going to show you on board. Now let's see on the board. Now you can see on the board there are the things is given to you when we are using present continuous tense. Let's come to the board and read. We use the present continuous tense, right? अब हम कब यूज करते हैं प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस? फर्स्ट व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट थिंग्स हैपनिंग एट द टाइम ऑफ स्पीकिंग. At the time of speaking, it means which things are happening at the time of speaking. It means when you are speaking with someone else, at that time you are doing any type of work, activity, etc. It will be come in present continuous tense. अगर हम किसी से बात करते टाइम पे हम कुछ वर्क करते हैं, कुछ एक्टिविटी करते हैं या उस टाइम पे कुछ हो रहा है, उसके लिए हम प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस यूज करते हैं. नेक्स्ट, when something is happening for a short period of time. Now we have to use present continuous tense for short period of time. Means अगर कुछ एक्टिविटी कुछ टाइम के लिए कंटिन्यू रहती है, उसके लिए हमें प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस यूज करना है. फॉर एन एग्जांपल, इफ यू आर लर्निंग एनीथिंग इन योर वैकेशन, it means you are continuing that activity for some time, right? आप कुछ दिन के लिए उसे कंटिन्यू सीखते हैं, like dance, sing, any musical instrument. If you are learning, that is the activity for a short period of time. If you are going somewhere for 4-5 days, right? For that we are using present continuous tense. Now next, third is when we talk about changes that are happening. Now here changes are happening in some things. If I say that कल से ज़्यादा ठंडी आज है, it means क्या हो रहा है, वो वेदर में चेंजेस हो रहा है. Means any changes happening in something, that we are using present continuous tense. Now I am going to show you the format, how the present continuous tense we have to write. Okay. Let's have a look on structure for present continuous tense. Now, for will come first, noun or pronoun, whether it is a noun or pronoun given to you. After that, what we have to write is am, are. Means we have to use from these three any one, and we will call it helping verb. It means this is going to help us for making verb. मतलब हमको help verb के साथ ही साथ हमको is am are का यूज करना है, right? इन तीनों में से सिर्फ उस टाइम पे वन ही यूज होगा, is और am और are plus verb plus ing. It means when what verb is given to us, whether it is sing, dance, write, play, walk, we have to add ing in that. Means we are having base verb. Okay, what we have to add in that base form of verb में क्या ऐड कर देना है हमको? ing. Now how we will use is and are? We have to use is when singular is noun pronoun is given to us, right? जब हमारा सेंटेंस सिंगुलर से स्टार्ट होता है, at that time we have to use is, whether he, she, it or any singular noun is given to you. Now am is we have to use with सेंटेंस I. जब हमारा सेंटेंस I से स्टार्ट होता है, उस टाइम पे हमको आई के साथ एम यूज करना है। आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू एग्जांपल। नाउ यू कैन सी आई एम अ गर्ल। इफ आई हैव टू से आई एम अ गर्ल, तो आई के साथ क्या यूज करेंगे हम? एम। इफ आई एम यूजिंग आई आर अ गर्ल, नाउ यू थिंक इट इज सूटेबल? आई आर अ गर्ल, ये सूट हो रहा है? नो। आई इज अ गर्ल, आई के साथ इज सूट हो रहा है? नो। It is I comes in singular, then also we have to use am, m, not is nor are. Okay, now are we have to use with plural, means whenever singular noun or pronoun is given to you, you have to use is, and when plural noun or pronoun is given to you, you have to use are. In that verb you have to add ing. Okay, now I am showing you the examples related to present continuous tense. Okay, now you can see that examples are written on board. Now let's read examples along with me. It is raining outside. Now you can see our first word is it, means जो pronoun है वो क्या है हमारा? Singular, right? It comes in singular. So what we have used with that? is. Singular के साथ हमने क्या use किया है? Is. Okay. Now this is the main verb, rain, rain. What we have added in this ing we have added to make it in continuous tense. Continuous उसको बनाने के लिए हमने उसमें क्या किया है? ing add किया है। It is raining outside. Now here the verb is, if you have to underline the word in present continuous tense, what you will underline? These two things, I is and raining. Okay, right? Now next, they are watching TV. They are watching TV. Now you can see they, our sentence starting with they. They is a plural pronoun, right? For plural pronoun, what we have used here? are. I told you, as plural pronoun or noun is given to you, you have to use helping verb are. Okay. After that, the main verb is watch. क्या है हमारा verb? Watch. But what we have added in this? ing, because in continuous tense we have to add ing in the main form of verb. Next is they are watching TV. Now I am writing a letter, right? अब यहाँ पे क्या इससे start हो रहा है sentence? I, right? I pronoun से start हो रहा है. For I is exceptional case, that's why we are using here am. For I we have to use am. I am writing. Here the main word is write, right? उसके बाद हमने उसमें क्या ऐड कर दिया है? ing. राइट में हमने ऐड कर दिया है ing for make it in continuous. I am writing a letter. For present continuous tense, we have to underline these both words, am plus writing. Okay, it is clear to all of you? Means these are the two main things. You have to use helping verb plus ing. It means आपको is am are का यूज करना है प्लस बेस फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब विथ ing. जो भी बेस फॉर्म वर्ब होगा उसमें ing ऐड कर देना है. ओके, नाउ इफ यू आर हैविंग एनी क्वेरी और डाउट रिगार्डिंग दिस प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, you can ask me in your live sessions. Okay, thank you, have a nice day. Just go through with this video once. Okay.